Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the importance of the sectors and how you can relate VIV system and the sectors which are in demand. So recently we had in version 1.9 we had added a feature where we show the overall strength of the sector in which that stock comes. Let's start and I will show you what I am talking. This is the latest feature we had added some time back. So if you can see here on the bottom, or you can set wherever you want in the settings of the indicator, you will see this show sector strength. So if you don't want to use that, you can hide also, it will go, but I use it because this is very important. So you can use this for, like, you can put it on the top right or somewhere, wherever you want. By default it will show you on the top of the uh, chart, but you can position wherever you can. You can position on the center also, top center, bottom center, bottom left, right, wherever you want. Okay, so for now I have set it on the top, so that uh, why it is important, because the problem with trading or investing is, we, especially in trading, we have to see where the momentum is. Because if setup is really nice and but the sector don't have any strength, or if sector don't have any strength but the stock is showing strength, that is also a signal that something is happening with the stock. Right now the sector is not that strong, but if this stock is showing strength, that means this could be a leader of the next run. Okay, I will discuss what I am saying here. So this is very important. Yesterday only I took trade in South Indian Bank. Okay, if I show you, we provide the scanner also to all our members, whoever go with the subscription. Let me show you. If you see here, yesterday our scanner gave me the South Indian Bank. Okay, so why South Indian Bank and why I took the trade? Because the reason was very simple. The sector was in trend. Okay, if we go to Nifty PSU Bank, you will see the sector is showing good strength. Okay, so also our system is telling that the major banks, finance major finance, it has a strength also, it has a trend also. So for me it was an opportunity to buy. We tell our all the members know that where we have to buy, when weekly trend is positive and price is crossing first shakeout and then it's crossed above, then we have to enter, because that in that area or that zone our risk is really less. Okay, so yesterday I entered at 40.46, or maybe 39.46, I think 39.46, because my risk was only 1.5%. Luckily trade worked today, stock is almost 7% up. Why I am saying this is important? Because the sector is already in trend. So you have to look at the uh, chances. On the scanner, you will see, I will show you one more thing here. If you see here, our scanner has shown the aegis logistic also, and then other stocks, Circa, this and that, Hoodco and all that. But why didn't I buy that? Why I only bought South Bank? The reason was simple, because the sector is in trend. Okay, so we have to see what sector is doing, and that can help you. Okay, so our this system automatically detect uh, in which sector this stocks belongs and how is that sector doing. Okay, just now, some time back, 1 hour back, I have added Apollo tires. Why? Because if you see here, up, up in Polo tire also, the sector is showing good strength. If I open this Nifty Auto also, you can see that sector is leading. Sector is leading, and many stocks are coming out of the bases. Means this was a base, then it went down, shake out. But our wave system was telling us that okay, you know, the same way the trend never changed. For 1 week, trend got changed, but again it is getting positive. So I have bought it at 514.50 rupees, almost here. Okay, why? And my stop loss was under 0.5% of 511 rupees. This zone, my stop loss is under this zone. I don't know either it will work or not, but our purpose is to follow the system, find out where the trend is, and we can make some money. Like previously, I had bought HEG also near this level. I had shared with other members also, but I shared with, means after few days, because I can't recommend that okay, that okay, buy this or buy that and all that, right? So for that we have given the scanners. On the scanner, in the scanner you will see the multiple stocks, then you have to choose yourself. We don't guide that okay, buy this or that. Our purpose is to teach you, not to our purpose is to teach you how to catch the fish, not provide the fish. Okay, so almost I bought it HEG here. If you see that time, there is no uh, index like Nifty Auto. This comes under electronic technology, electronic components. So it has no index. But our systems was saying, okay, sector strength has, sector trend is not that bullish yet, but strength, sector has a strength. So if it is coming out of a base, our system is all on the yes. So this may be the leader of the this proper this particular sector. So I bought it, and after that it went up. Same is with graphite also. Same day I bought it all together, right? So here, this was, if you see here, on this particular day I entered. If you see, this comes under process industries, industrial specialist. There is no index for that, but our system which we have developed, it was telling me that sector has a strength. Trend has not started, but sector has a strength. Okay, so what happened was that I thought okay, maybe this is a leader, so I bought it, and it didn't disappoint. I am still holding this position. Okay, so another stocks which I bought like the in the past when I created my investment portfolio, that was like Hind Copper. Okay, so I bought it Hind Copper around this area, 345 or 350. I don't remember exactly what was my buying price, but it was like here. in particular area. Okay, if you look here now, if you look here, it was showing that sector has no strength, sector has no trend. But my thought process was that okay, if non-energy material or the material is not showing that strength, but why Hindustan Copper is showing so much of strength? That means it is a leader. Maybe something is cooking in this sector, so I bought it because my risk was low. My stop loss was under 300, half percent of 340 rupees or something like that, because there was a footprint also, and also there was a, let me change the color of the 10-week moving average so that it's visible. So my, there was a footprint, means someone created uh, some important level here, and 10-week moving was also there. So my stop loss was half percent under the 10-week moving average. By chance it didn't work, it failed, but that time sector was not showing strength. There is no index related to this sector. But same happened with zinc, Hindustan zinc. Now you can see I have bought near 350 rupees and now it's 564. It is going continuously. And zinc, okay. So Hindustan zinc I bought on this day when it came near the 10 week, everything was positive. If we check here, see that time it also comes under the non-energy. So Hindustan copper, Hindustan zinc was showing strength here. Our wave system was showing strength, right? But sectors were not aligned. So this is why I took trade. So two things you can do here is, if your stock is showing the leadership qualities, means it is already out, it is already broken out, but sector is still not good, that means it could be a leader. Now you see the sector is all positive and all that, after some days the sector got positive, right? But then you can, what you can do is, if sector is negative but your stock is showing strength, it is already broken out, that means it is a leader. Okay, let me show you. There is a one stock in this infa. Okay, today it is falling, but look here, let me show you here. When it showed the first move, then took a retracement, then again showed the strength. Let's check here. See, this also come under, this was showing sector is still weak, but this is showing strength, means it is already breaking out, that means this is a leader. You can see that 700 rupees to almost 1500 rupees in short term. Okay, so you have to see that what sector is doing and what stock is doing. Now let's think reversal. Sometimes suppose we look at the this Naukri, right? Naukri. Few days back, maybe here, this sector was showing strength, but Naukri was not. There was a setup, but it was not a leader. It didn't come out before others. So that means if sector is showing positive, but this is not showing strength, that means something is wrong. Okay, so we have to find that either we have to find the leaders, okay, or either we have to see that okay, if sector has strength, stock should also have strength. Like, let's go to this Azad engineering. Okay, now see what is happening here. It is showing sector has strength, but Azad engineering is not working. It is very volatile. That means it is not a leader. We have to find the leaders. When sector is in positive move, then means showing strength, also showing trend. Why this stock is not working? Okay, so we have to find the, in the past I have done lot of these kind of mistakes, that I was like, okay, setup is really good, I should hold and wait. I used to wait for 1 month, 2 months. It never worked. So later I came to understood that the importance of flowing money into a sector is so important. Either you have a so much conviction in your setup, but if the big money is not playing over there, big money is not putting you know big money in that, it will not work, right? Let's see some other example also, like Maharashtra Bank. Okay, Maharashtra Bank, I bought it on this day. Why? The same story. If we look here, if we look here, this was the situation. You can see what happened was, that time the index was little weak, the PSU bank. Let's check. So this was the day, almost 29 December. So in short term, the index was weak. If you see that there was no background on the daily chart, but if we look at the weekly chart, it was showing strength, right? So in short term, it was weak. So what happened was, this stock was creating a good base under the 10-week moving average. If you look, medium term trend was positive. That is why I tell all the members that if medium term trend is positive but short term trend is negative, that means that is an opportunity to buy once price comes above the 10-week moving average. So what happened was, see, look here, sector also showed the strength and the trend, and the Maharashtra Bank also did the same. That means it is not a laggard, it is also a leader, means it is following the sector. It is not like that, okay, sector got positive, but Maharashtra Bank is doing nothing. It is jumping here and there. Like, let's see the Indian Overseas Bank or something. See, Indian Overseas Bank is, see, even Indian Overseas Bank is dead. But Maharashtra, it is trading near 52-week low, but your Maharashtra Bank is trading near 52-week high. So this is the difference. This is, this stock is following the sectors, means it is also a leader. So I bought it. Same is with Bank of India. Say, I also bought it here. Same story, that okay, it is aligning with the sector. As I said, if sector is weak but stock is showing strength, it is already breaking out. That means it is the leader of that sector. If sector is showing strength but your stock is dead, it is not doing anything, that means it is laggard. Avoid those stocks. We have to catch the momentum, as we are a positional or swing traders. We are not investors. In investing, my portfolio is different, but for the swing trading or the positional trade, I use this analysis. Okay, so please, this is why we have done a lot of hard work to make this system. We have given this trend based analysis, then we have given a background, then we have given a automated VIV levels, then we have added a sectorial analysis also. So I am sure this will help you. If you follow the system properly, it will help you. If you have any questions, if you don't understand as a member, or if you are still not a member but you are uh, curious to understand how this system works, please send a message and we will reply back. I hope this video will help you. Just write the questions if any. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye for now.